In this video, I'm about to show you how to use the Heygen Video Translate tool. Start by opening the Heygen application on your mobile device. Once the app is open, tap Continue to move forward with the setup process. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in using your Google account. Tap on the Google option, then enter your email address and tap Next to log in. If it's your first time, you'll need to grant Heygen permission to access your Google account. Once you're signed in, tap on Explore Features from the main screen to access the available tools. Now, tap on Upload Video and select the video you want to translate from your device's gallery. Ensure that the video is in a support format and suitable quality for translation. After selecting the video, you'll be prompted to choose the language for translation. Heygen support multiple languages, so you can select one or more languages for the translation process. Finally, tap on Translate and Heygen will begin processing your video. Depending on the length of the video and the number of languages selected, the translation might take a few moments. Once it's done, you'll receive a translated version of your video, ready for sharing or further editing. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.